everyone. This is Pinkal attending 2 days high workshop by amazing naturopath Mr. Vishal Saini. So yesterday we had successfully completed day 1 where we learned many things like how modern technologies are affecting human bodies. We came across the natural law behind the human bodies, and we have also understood how pharmaceutical companies are making food. So day 1 was amazing, fantastic. We have understood many things. We have been making a lot of mistakes in our daily lives, which is further affecting our body. So I request all of you to must join his workshop, because these 2 days can add multiple years in your life. And the day 2 is already going on, and which is already into the pace, and we have understood multiple things, many science. So I request all of you to join his workshop. He is giving a lot of valuable informations, and I have already started implementing them and getting benefited. So thank you so much, everyone. Thank you.